Okay, let me quickly say a little story about this beautiful gift that I got for my birthday. Last year, I celebrated my 40th by the grace of God. Yippee! So, I have a daddy, a beautiful father. Not biological, but he's like a biological daddy. He's in Virginia. We call him the mayor of Norfolk. Hey, in Bobagua's castle. Hey, Baba. So, daddy and mommy, they are my beautiful parents in Virginia. So, they got me a beautiful 40th birthday gift, which in fact, I least expected it. I was not expecting it at all. I was so glad when on top of white. I was so glad. I'm so sorry about that. I was so glad when I saw it. I'm like, wow. So I guessed already that this must be from, because it was their daughter that sent it, who happens to be my sister. So when she sent it, I knew, I already suspected, because she sells beautiful African wears. Like, if you really want to look, you want to, bless you, ma'am. If you really want to look cute, you want to look yourself, you want to look responsible, you want to look the proper African. Even if you are American, it doesn't matter. Or, any country you're from, you just want to look proper African, or let me say proper Nigerian African. Oh, goodness. Just visit her. Visit our Instagram handle. So I'm going to put that up here. It is at Comfy Arewa Collections. I'm going to bring out some of our videos, about 2 or 3 of our videos, or maybe 4 couples of our videos. I'll put it on this video. Just check it out. Look at the ones you want. Anyone you like, just message her and tell her. And I'm going to put a screenshot of her page on Instagram, so you can always reach out to her. Excuse me, ma'am, I'm doing my video. You can always reach out to her. It's just a click away, like a text message away or a DM away, and she's gonna just send it to you. She has gorgeous African wears. Forget it, gorgeous African wear. So just go ahead and make your order. By the time you watch some of our videos, you know what I'm talking about. And she also sells turban scarf. Turban are just some of these arts that I'm going to show you from our video. Some of these arts you're looking at, those are turban scarf. You can wear to church. It doesn't matter which country you're from, whether you're American or you're from another African, you're from UK, anywhere, just wear it, and then people see the beauty of God in you. So let me take you through our page and let's see what's going on in there. Finally, I got my gift, finally. Mommy Ray, on behalf of Daddy, thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, so a short story concerning this package. When I got this package the first time, it was I think the same week of my birthday. So after I got it and I got to the car, the USPS staff came by and told me, we are sorry, we need to take back this package from you, because the details of the package and your name and everything, they don't really, it was not well written, not corresponding. So there was a little issue, because my name was written but not in full. My first name was put there, but my last name was not written. And then, coupled with the fact that the address contradict each other, because we have moved from the old address, and I had not communicated to them that I moved. So this was the reason they had to take the package back, which I had to cooperate. They returned it, and then she now returned again. She had to repackage it again and send it back to me, which is what you ever since then, I decided I was not going to open the package. I kept it and I said, okay, since the package was taken back, I being returned again, I'm going to keep this package till New Year, because I understand the fact that this must be a good one, because this was from Daddy's daughter, and I know she's the CEO of African Beautiful, wears. So I already suspected what might be in the package. So I kept myself in suspense. And then I waited till New Year. When I told her that I just opened the package, she was shocked. So when I opened it, I felt so good. Like, I love what I saw. Well, the video did not really show all of these sparkling, stones being designed in the front of this cloth, but this is beautiful, like more beautiful than what you're seeing. I fell in love with it, and it was my perfect size. So let me show you this video. I'm going to release the audio of this video, so enjoy this video. Thank you so much once again, Daddy and Mommy. I really appreciate this gift. This is beautiful. Every other person who gifted me for that birthday, you all did so well. Your presence, everything, I really appreciate. God bless you, and I say thank you, my viewers. Right now, I'm about to open my package. Bye. Remember, there is a lot of story concerning this package. First, I got it, and then they claim my name was not well written on it, and my address, blah 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 blah. So at the end of the day, I had to. I feel like something in here is so interesting. Can I open? Ta-da! Yay! My birthday gift finally. Oh, this is so beautiful. Daddy and Mommy, God bless you. Daddy, oh my goodness, they actually bought me oh my God. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, Mommy Ray, I am rocking this for the New Year 2024. Guess what? I'm gonna rock it. It also has a scarf. Okay, I'm gonna use this opportunity to announce to you Comfy Arewa. Please visit Comfy Arewa. I'm gonna put our Instagram handle on my video. If you want any boo-boo agbada, and her stuff are so pretty, like you're gonna love it. She always has she actually put some pep on it, and this it smells so beautiful. So right now, watch me. I'm gonna rock this with my New Year. There's this dance I'm planning for the New Year. Oh my goodness, don't miss it. I'm gonna call it New Year Praise, like 2024 New Year Praise. I'm gonna rock it with this agbada and my scarf. I need a shoe. I'll go to my shoe rack and pick a beautiful shoe. Let's rock it. 2024 in January. Meet me on this beautiful agbada. Oh my God, don't let me make mouth. See you there. Happy birthday to me. 40th is not easy, okay? Say happy birthday.
We are the glorious generation, please join us today, and we bless your way.